Welcome to 5 Minute Feldy, and just let's take this up a little bit. Good morning. Welcome to 5 Minute Feldy, coming to you from Melbourne on a sort of grey Thursday morning. A mini Feldenkrais movement lesson for you, and we're going to look at the moving the shoulder blades apart from this area here. So this part of your back often gets tight, and it's hard to sort of release that. We're going to do some movements, but you get the shoulder blades sliding back and forth to mobilize there. So I just wanted to show you that. So please get comfortable, get settled, and pay attention. Think of that area between your shoulder blades. How's it feeling right now? And please bring your hand, the back of the right hand, see if you could put that on your chest. Just move the skeleton out the way a little bit. Put the back of your right hand on the chest and then push in a little bit and release. And what's happening here is I'm pushing in, my shoulders are rounding forwards, which means the shoulder blades are spreading out. So try that a few times. Use your hand to press in. Have the chest travel backwards, have those shoulder blades spread apart. And then if you push your chest forwards, it's like the shoulders are going back and the shoulder blades at the back are coming together. So go back and forth like that. It's like you collapse in, push out. Bring the elbow comes into the middle and the elbow goes out to the side. Okay, have a rest. And good morning. And change hands. See if you can try to put the back of the hand on, but if it's just the side of the hand, that's okay. But basically your hand is on the sternum, the breastbone, and you push in, collapse the chest, bring the elbow into the middle, and then push the chest forwards like you're pushing the hand, the elbow goes out. Your shoulders go back, and at the back the shoulder blades come together. So try that a few times. Push in, push out, and feel at the back that feeling of the shoulder blades sliding. We want those shoulder blades free to slide. They can sometimes get pretty stuck. Okay, stop and have a rest. And let's now put both hands, put the backs of the hands together and see if you can get the backs of the hands pressing against the chest. And press in, bring the elbows closer together in front, and then push your chest forwards to spread the elbows apart, and go back and forth like this. Have a little rest, and we'll do that again in a moment. Just to remind you what's happening here is that the shoulder blades are sliding in, sliding out, and it's getting this area to soften and loosen and mobilize, because it's a place that can get very tight. And we're getting we're moving the chest forwards and backwards. And as the chest moves forwards and backwards, the shoulder blades slide apart and close together. So let's try it one more time. So put the backs of your hands on your chest. Press in, like you're collapsing the chest. The shoulders move forward, the elbows move close together. Then you push forwards, push the elbows apart, your chest moves forwards, the shoulders move back, the shoulder blades get closer together. Hold that for a moment and just, in a way, just do a little bit of a push the elbows back a bit further, squash those shoulder blades together at the back, squeeze that space in the middle, then come forwards and stay here and sort of just squash a little bit more, or press a little bit more onto the chest, have the shoulder blades moving apart. Then a few more times. Spread out while at the back the shoulder blades squash together, and then collapse in as the shoulder blades spread apart. Try it with your breath. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. I'll just show you that beside. We'll do a couple more times and we'll finish. Here we go. Okay, and that'll do. Have a rest, let your arms rest down, and pause a moment. Come back to just notice, how do you feel now? Take an easy breath or two. And notice how you feel at the back. How is that area between the shoulder blades now? Okay, so that'll do. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon. In the meantime, please stay safe, keep moving,